waves, conscious, freedom, truth. The eyes of evil live in the skulls of the people who think we are not equal in the state of division. State that we live in, unforgiving of the roads that we take. Everything's going down, it's gonna break. Like an earthquake, has the earth shake. What's mine you take. So take a break from fake. Relate to your peers and others. We all breathe, one day we die, but most of us still suffer. Looking for truth, but can it be found? Looking to the ground, looking to the skies. Can you see the lies? Cause truth ain't there. Then we put our shades on, cause we really don't care. If we did, we would change, end all the hunger, stop all the wars, stop all the struggle. But talk is cheap, action is main. I can only find truth in the winds of change. Conscious waves. Yo. It's life worth living if you're trapped in the box. The guard never comes as you threw away the lock. And that's for our luck, maybe you ran out. If you stick to what you know, then you take the same route. Could have been us who were born in the war. Could have been us who were born poor. But we're in the West and we want more. Fake lives, yeah, we adore. Have a drink so you escape. It's all a plan to manipulate. Pass the joint, now who's next? Our whole lives revolve around sex. It's sad to see, cause you and me are stuck in this reality. It's blasphemy, cause you and me are stuck in this illusory society of hate. But is it too late to change? Strange, conscious wave. I walk alone the empty road, my own life trying to decode. Night hits, lights out, demons hide in plain sight. Dark night, bright moon, winds fast like a typhoon. Walk alone, the place I know. Time goes, but with life I grow. Life is timeless, time is blindness. Life is wisdom, time is the opposite of positive. Negative, charged like a 9. When you hear the sirens, shots fired, people dying. But who's crying? Government's lying spine. We only want freedom from this prison that we living in. Yo, we only want freedom from this prison that we living in. Yeah, we only want freedom from this prison that we living in. Freedom. We only want freedom from this prison that we living in. Freedom. Just because of people, society is evil. Evil. Just because of people, society is evil.